പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാറുണ്ടല്ലേ? നമ്മളൊക്കെ എപ്പോഴാണ് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നത്? നമ്മളിൽ ചിലർ എല്ലാ ദിവസവും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നവരായിരിക്കും. ചിലർ ജീവിതത്തിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രത്യേക സന്ദർഭങ്ങൾ വരുമ്പോഴായിരിക്കും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മളും പലപ്പോഴും അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് അല്ലേ? When problems comes, when there is pain, when there is fear, when something goes wrong, we pray. We pray for a good job. We pray to pass an exam. We pray for family peace. We pray when we cannot handle situations. ശരിയല്ലേ? But once the problem is solved, we slowly go back to normal and prayer becomes occasional. പക്ഷെ ബൈബിളിൽ നമുക്ക് ഡാനിയൽ എന്നൊരു വ്യക്തിയെ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഡാനിയൽ ജീവിച്ചിരുന്ന കാലത്ത് prayer was illegal. പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചാൽ സിംഹങ്ങളുടെ ഗുഹയിലിടും. Prayer had become illegal. Still he did not stop. He did not change his routine. In the book of Daniel, chapter 6 verses 10 says, when Daniel learned that the decree has been published, he went home, opened his windows toward Jerusalem, and 3 times a day he knelt down and prayed just as he done before. Here says, just as he had done before. That means it was his routine. He continued the same thing he was already doing. Daniel didn't start praying when the problem came. He was already praying. He didn't learn faith in the lion's den. He learned it in his prayer room. His faith was not built in the battle. His faith was built when he was on his knees. That's the difference. Daniel prayed consistently and we pray occasionally. Even when Daniel was put in the lion's den, he was not afraid. He believed that God would work a miracle. If it was in our life, would we have that much faith? Daniel was sure of one thing. The God he prayed to every day was able to save him, and his faith worked. It's not what we do occasionally that makes the difference in our life. It's what we do consistently. Prayer was not his emergency option. It was his lifestyle. So the real question is, will we pray only when we need something? Or will we build our faith on our knees every single day? ജീവിതത്തിൽ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ വരുമ്പോൾ മാത്രമല്ല, ഓരോ ദിവസവും നമുക്ക് ദൈവസന്നിധിയിൽ ഇരിക്കാം. അതിന് ഈ ദിവസങ്ങളെല്ലാം ദൈവം നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കട്ടെ. ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ് യു.